This quick tutorial is how to configure the IP address in the SimConnect.cfg file that you'll find in the host root directory. So let's find the host root directory. So you should have an icon that you use to get into Elite. Right click and properties and just check where this particular Elite folder exists, and in this case it's in the C root directory. So let's go there. And it's this one here. So let's open it up. Let's go down to the bottom of the list, and you should see a SimConnect.cfg file. Right click that and edit, and you will see the file contents in front of you, and of particular interest is the address 192.168.0.172. So this has actually been configured to the IP address of your visual computer. So whatever your visual computer, its fixed IP address, they're the string of numbers you need to put in here. And the visual computer IP address is 192.168.0.172. So make sure that that number there corresponds to the visual computer fixed IP address. When you're happy with that, get out of that file, save it and get out of that file, and you have now configured the SimConnect config in the host side of Elite.